this out.
Founding member of New Kids on the Block.
That's awesome.
Yo, you know I'm a fan.
Have you been coming in each week in line?
I've been sneaking in and out.
And the
Well, there's two reasons.
Listen,
Babe, is that you?
you're supposed to keep it a secret, but come on.